Which word begins with a capital letter?
Frog.
Which is an adjective?
Red.
Choose the correct sentence.
They're friends.
Fill in the blank. The sun dash bright.
Is.
Fill in the blank. I need dash eraser.
An.
Which word names a toy?
Doll.
Fill in the blank. I see a dash flower.
Red.
Choose the correct adjective. It is a dash day.
Sunny.
What is the plural of bird?
Birds.
Which of these is a fruit?
Apple.
Fill in the blank. I dash a red car.
Have.
Choose the correct sentence.
She has 2 apples.
Choose the correct pronoun. Dash am singing.
I.
Choose the correct sentence.
They're happy.
Fill in the blank. My brother dash a ball.
Throws.
Which word is a family member?
Sister.
Which word is an animal?
Dog.
Choose the correct word. The cat is dash the tree.
On.
Choose the correct pronoun. Dash is a beautiful flower.
It.
What is the plural of duck?
Ducks.
Choose the correct sentence.
I can run fast.
How many letters are in the word monkey?
Six.
Fill in the blank. I have 2 dash.
Pens.
Fill in the blank. She dash my best friend.
Is.
Fill in the blank. He dash his hat.
Wears.
Which is a mode of transportation?
Bus.
Choose the correct pronoun. Dash are my friends.
They.
Which word names a place?
Hospital.
Choose the correct sentence.
I see a star.
Fill in the blank. Dash are my parents.
They.
Choose the correct preposition. The cat jumped dash the wall.
Over.
What is the opposite of happy?
Sad.
Fill in the blank. The kite dash in the wind.
Flies.
What is the plural of car?
Cars.
Choose the correct verb. The bird dash away.
Flew.
Fill in the blank. The moon dash at night.
Shines.
What is the plural of boy?
Boys.
Fill in the blank. She dashed to sing.
Once.
Choose the correct word. The fish is dash the water.
In.
Choose the correct sentence.
She is kind.
Which word is a pronoun?
You.
What is the opposite of up?
Down.
Choose the correct pronoun. Dash are playing.
We.
Choose the correct pronoun. Dash am a girl.
I.